Okay, so I haven't done an update video on the house in a while. I think the last update I did was like 4 months ago, and hey buddy. And we didn't even have walls. This is the garage. So let's go to the house and I'm gonna do a little update and show you guys what's been done. Looks like they're working, so there's a truck. So we're just gonna wait. Still muddy. They graded. I don't even think there was siding on my last post. So we did get siding, and then see, so they graded. I think they have to come back and grade again because we still have a lot of water coming through the garage. You see, they put the walls and they've painted. They actually like just painted the garage. Who is that? Brady, get back over here. All right, so this is the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So as you can see, we got our counters, and we did like the quartz with a little bit of gray in it. Stove. And that's where our like double oven's gonna be. Oh buddy, what you think? Alright. So this is the bathroom. I think it's just regular quartz in here, no gray going through it. This is the master bedroom. And we have a sliding barn door in here. This is the master bathroom. Oh, who is that? Are you ready to move? His favorite part of the house is this little like loop right here. He likes to run around it. Brady! Oh, there he is! Jack's not really too sure about this house right now. So they just put the shelving up today, and this is the master closet. The laundry room. So they did do the quartz in here with the gray. And then where is our, I'm gonna view that. Still see where they need to grade. And you can see on like on the front and the back, we have the black going underneath, and then the white, the siding is going vertical on the front. We just got our doorknobs and stuff too on. That's the closet. And this bedroom is the one with the bathroom in it. Pretty nice size. And another bedroom is in here, along with another closet. And then here is the bathroom. Right here. And we're gonna have like the little arched mirrors, so that'll look good. And then the last bedroom right here. So that's my update of the house. Hopefully we should be knowing by this week when we're supposed to move in. Anything to add, Jet? Got anything? Anything you need to add? So, yep. So thanks for watching. And hopefully my next video is us moving in.